Let me know when it comes, guys. I'm going live on YouTube again. Okay, this should work, guys. Let me know if it's working now. YouTube should be working now, guys. YouTube should be working now. Let me come back and check my trade. Gold is being a bad baby this morning. And this is my first trade of the week, guys. My first trade of the week. I'm seeing about 40 something pips draw down, guys. 40 something pips draw down. And I'm still holding. Awesome, awesome. You're welcome, you're welcome. Someone said account is gone. How does your account go in one trade? Maybe it's a $10 account. Definitely $10 account. Even if it shouldn't be going right now. $10, you should still be in this trade. About maybe $4 or $3 loss. If your account is gone, then maybe you're over leveraging. You're over leveraging. If your account is gone in just one trade, which is now in about just about 46 pips drawdown, okay, and then there's really a big problem. Unless you went full margin, that one you can't blame me for it. You went full margin. We all do, but we do it reasonably. Okay, Adams, you can send me a message back door. Gold. Guys, I'm still holding either way, okay? Still holding to the stop loss or to TP, any of them. So far as it's still within my parameters, I'm okay. There is massive echo from my end. Oh, guys, what is happening on YouTube today? Please confirm for me. Those on YouTube, do you have echoes at the background? Is there echoes, guys? Do you have echoes? Do you have echoes at the background? Those on YouTube, do you have echoes? There's no echo. Okay, then the person should check their connection. Okay, are you sure it's gonna go back to your zone? I'm not sure. I don't know what market is gonna do. I'm just following technicals. Okay, I'm not sure. Just holding. When people ask me, are you sure it's gonna go here? I don't know, guys. Do you also know if it's gonna go back to your zone or drop? We all don't know. We just have to make sure we are following technicals and then just practicing proper risk management. That's all. Let's just follow proper risk management. That is all. YouTube is okay. Awesome. Let's hope we catch a good one, guys. Let's hope. Can small account close? When you say small account, how much do you mean? Is it $10? $10 on gold? Well, you know, guys, I don't advise $10. I don't advise $10. But if you have $10, 0.01, you should still be in this trade, okay? You should still be in this trade. It's with 0.01. You should still be in the trade. We enter somewhere in the middle of the zone, somewhere here. That's our entry, somewhere in the middle of the zone. $30 on 0.01. That is a crazy one, but I'm just hoping we catch some good wins, okay, so that you grow your account. Just hoping we catch some good win, guys. Those that are jumping out of the trade right now, or those that are itchy, okay, are those that went full margin. I didn't go full margin on this trade. I didn't go full margin. If you are feeling like closing the trade, you can't handle the loss, it's because the lot size you put on the account is unbearable. You know you can't stand it. And already I kept on mentioning, this is the first trade of the week, guys. It's the first trade of the week. Protect your account, because if your account blows on Monday, it means tomorrow you will not get account to trade till Friday. Handle your account well. Practice proper risk management on your account. Every first Monday trade, ask my VIP members, I always tell them, first trade of the week, you don't go in full margin. Because we've not made any profits for the week, we are just come to start growing the account again. You don't go and put all your eggs in one basket and hoping to get, I don't know, $1,000 on your $100 or something. It will be almost impossible. Have that mindset of, the trade might hit stop loss. If it hits stop loss, is my account still going to last? You should ask yourself those questions, okay? Just in about 25 pips. Drawdown at the moment, just about 25 pips. People that jump out of trades too early, trust me, they've over-risked, they've over-leveraged. They've over-leveraged and they've over-risked. And they've blown it. Listen to your body. Okay, we are almost back to entry, guys. We are almost back to our entry. We are almost back to entry. In the morning, this was my first sell zone. When this candle was pushing up, I was hoping we'll get in from here. But then started selling without us, okay? Just hoping. This place is my TP, actually. That is my final TP for the buys, if the buys play out. But let's see, guys. Let's see. How many people are we risking? Check the VIP. It's in the VIP, guys. SLTP, everything has been sent to the VIP. And if you use XNES, guys, you can join my VIP for free. You can take my signals for free, guys. You can take my signals for free if you have XNES. Like I told you guys, I'm just sticking to my technicals, okay? I analyze this thing live with you guys. I'm just sticking to my analysis. I'm not going to listen to sentiments. No, there are people in the comments that trade based on sentiments. That when someone says it's gonna buy, based on people's sentiments, based on how people feel, people's behavior towards a particular pair, right? They follow those feelings and then enter the trade. They don't even do technicals. They follow people's sentiments. We don't use sentiments to trade, okay? We use structure. We use technical analysis to trade. So if I do analysis and I've followed all my entry criteria, my zones, how I come about this and all, and everything is exact as it is, I'm going to stick to it. There's nothing that's going to change my mind that it's a sell. So this person saying it's a sell. People are saying it's a sell. Okay, let me close. Nah, you'll not get that from me. Okay? Because if I follow you, it's going to mess up my psychology. Better I stick to whatever I'm doing. And then once I hit a loss, I move on to the next zone, which is the next sell zone I have up there. But if it doesn't and I'm still in the trade, I'll be happy that I stuck to my technicals. And that is something that you should also learn for yourself. If you have a zone that you have analyzed, you shouldn't even let me influence your decision. If you have analyzed your zone and you see sales here, I always advise you believe in yourself and stick to what you have analyzed. That is how you grow your confidence. That is how you grow in terms of execution, having that confidence to execute. If you follow other people, you are only going to fret always. Every time you be fretting, like you are not sure of what you are doing. But if you analyze it, you know the zones you are looking out for. Now it's buying. We are in profits now. It's buying. But then if you know the zones that you are really confident about, you drill the zones yourself. You get that confidence. You know what you saw that made you go with that particular zone. Don't listen to other people, okay? Don't listen to other people. Don't listen at all. Nobody knows where market is heading to. Don't listen to anyone, guys. Don't listen to anyone. Don't listen to anyone. If you have a sell and I have a buy position in the same zone, I always advise you go for your buys. You know why? Not because I want you to go and hit stop loss or I'm influencing you negatively. It's because that is how I build my confidence. If you see me here sitting live trading with almost 700 people, it's because I've built some confidence over time, believing in myself. If you keep on listening to other people, you will still be at the same place. You will never grow. So if I see buys and you see sells, stick to yourself. Maybe if you're not so sure, go in with a little lot size. Test your confidence. Build it up. Okay? Just build your confidence. And for those who go under people's comments, type in, it will sell. Abba is going to sell. It's going to buy. Just do what you also see. Okay? You don't have to come and tell anyone what to do.
Looks like you're on YouTube watching a musician.
Yeah, guys, we are back to entry. Back to entry. Let's just see what happens.
With ad-free listening and song download.
Those are over leveraged. Price is back to entry. If you've leveraged, this is the best time to reduce your margin. Okay, the full margin you went on, this is the best time to reduce it because it's back at entry. Let's see, guys. Let's see. I'm just hoping to catch a good one. Let's see. Let's go, guys. Let's go. We need a breakout of the zone. We need price to close above the zone. Or price to just break out of the zone. That is what I'm looking at the moment, okay? We need price to close out of the zone. Let's go, guys. Let's go. And guys, as we are here, let's double tap. We have over 700 people here, almost 800. Let's double tap, guys. Let's double tap. Let's like the live and let's push the live, people. Let's push it to 100K. Let's push, guys. Let's double tap and push the live. I appreciate everyone double tapping. Thank you. I appreciate it. I appreciate it, guys. Thank you, Kenola. Thank you so much. Thank you. My moderators on YouTube are working. They are working. And guys, if you are new here, go join the Telegram channel. The link is in my bio. Join Telegram channel. If you use XNES, you can join the VIP for free if you use XNES, okay? If you use XNES, you can join the VIP for free. If you have an XNES account, you have XNES, you use the XNES broker, right? You can join my VIP for free. I have a special group for those that use XNES. So if you use XNet, send me a WhatsApp. The number is written on the screen. Check up, written in yellow on the screen. Send me a WhatsApp and just say you want to join the VIP, okay? Or you can also join the Telegram channel. I've pinned the instructions in the Telegram channel. You can follow that to also join the VIP. Every trade I take is being sent to the VIP. Last week we had just one loss. That was on Friday. About 50. It was a 53 pips loss. The SL was 53 pips. But aside that, every single trade we took on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Even Friday we took a trade before NFP that went 160 pips. And then we hit break even for NFP before it shot up. The only loss we had was 53 pips stop loss after NFP. That was the only loss we had last week. Every single trade was a banger last week. The week before we had just one loss. The week before I think just one loss too. And my zones really play out very well too. My zones play out. My people are in the comments. They'll let you know. They'll let you know what happens in the VIP. I'm just hoping we break out of the zone. That is what I'm hoping for now. We are almost out of the zone. And we are in profit now, guys. We are in little profit now. Not much profit. Just little profit at the moment. Just about 15 pips profit. Just about 15 pips profit, guys. Almost 20 pips now. Almost 20 pips now, guys. Almost 20 pips now. And we are 20 pips in profit, guys. 20 pips in profit. Let's hope we catch a good one, guys. Let's hope we catch a good one. Let's hope we catch a good one, my people. Let's hope we catch a good one. 30 pips now, guys. 30 freaking pips now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Now, I say believe in yourself. I'm not saying it because it sounds nice. It's because that is how you build your confidence, okay? That is how you are gonna build your confidence. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, guys. Running 35 pips at the moment. 35 pips, guys. 35 pips. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, guys. If you don't have patience when you are trading, you will not make money. That is really the truth. Because any small loss, you'll be living. Any small win, you'll be jumping out. You don't have a plan you're following. If you don't have a plan you're following, you'll never be profitable. You'll be wondering. But then I'm in the VIP with them. Why are they profitable? It's because maybe you've over leveraged, right? You are scared of the loss and then you jump out of the trade. Eventually, market goes our way. You try joining. That's what market also retraces. You mess up your account. Always learn to be patient. Patience is not just with waiting for zones. It's also waiting for trades to play out as they're supposed to. Patience is also waiting for the trades to play out, okay? Not just sitting down waiting for zones, nah. Am I in? I've been in. I've been through hell and back. Someone said, am I in? I've been through hell and back. I've been through hell and back. I've been through hell and back. What's the best leverage to use? I always say leverage depends on what you want to use the account for. If you want to flip an account quickly, you need high leverage. Leverage is simply your purchasing power. What you are capable of, the position you are capable of opening, how much you can buy or sell, right? It's more like money. So let's say you have, right now I can't teach you on leverage unless I'm done with this trade. But let's say you choose a leverage of 1:100, okay? It means that if you have $100, every $1 in your $100 is seen as 100. So let's say you choose a leverage of 1:1000 and your account is $100. It means that every $1 in that your own account, $100, is seen as $1,000. So to find the purchasing power is simply your account balance, which is 100, times the leverage you have chosen, which is 1,000, right? That gives us is it 100,000? 1,000 times 100. Am I correct? 100,000 or 10,000? Which is which, guys? So it means that if it's 100,000, that is the purchasing power you have. You can buy and sell in the market to the tune of that amount. Once you exhaust that, they will tell you not enough money. or no volume. That is what they will tell you. That is what you'll be told once you try to enter more positions. It means you've used up your money. You've used up all your money. Your account is gone and back. I'm glad. We've been through hell and back on this trade. Price might still come back to our entry. Based on structure, I'm just seeing another zone that might possibly retest again. If you use XNES, guys, you can join my VIP for free. You can join my VIP for free if you use XNES. We don't just have signals there. I teach them a lot in the VIP, not just signals. Not just signals, guys. You just entered at 4329. Awesome. You got a better entry than the rest of us. That is great. You got a better entry than all of us. You should be in massive profits. 4329. That is good. That is good. TPSL has been sent to the VIP, guys. TP and SL has been sent to the VIP. Am I going to enter for sales at my zone? Why do you think I'll enter for sales? What makes you think I'm going to enter for sales? Unless structure changes, but I don't see anything like a change here, okay? If I see a change, I'll shift my bias. You guys know that already. I'm one of the people that shift biases in the market. I don't stick to one bias like I'm selling, so it's like it's a sell. Nah, I can shift my bias when market changes. I adapt to the market. I don't stick to one bias and just kill myself. You're in good profit. Awesome. Glad you're in good profit. Let's go. You know, I still feel tired from the whole journey, like from yesterday. Those that follow me a lot, you know, I traveled. I went to visit my mom over the weekend. Her birthday was yesterday. So I traveled on Friday right after NFP. I was supposed to travel before NFP, but I was like, you know what, let's trade together for NFP. So I decided to sacrifice that morning, stay live with you guys. Let's trade NFP. Right after NFP, we left for my mom's place. She doesn't stay in Accra, so we had to travel to Swedro. Yes, Swedro. That's where my parents are. That's where my kids are now at the moment. My kids went for vacation there. So it's more like going to visit my mom and also getting to see the kids. They've been gone for about 2 or 3 weeks and I've really missed them. So went to spend some time with them. We spent Saturday there, had a party. Friday we had some small get together. And yesterday we had another family party. And yes, we came back to Accra yesterday. And this morning I had to come back live. I was so tired, guys. But you know, Benjamins need to be made. This morning, my mom called me. She was like, oh, did you just wake up? I said, no, I just finished my live. She's like, you still went ahead to have your live. Aren't you tired? Yeah, because, guys, I was very tired. Trust me. Those that joined the live this morning, I joined late. I was late for 5 minutes to this morning's live because I was so tired. Almost hitting 40 pips, guys. Almost hitting 40 pips on the trade. I was so tired. And I was telling her, if If I don't trade, how can I make money and be sending you some? Just like, yeah, that one too is true. That one too is true. And like, mothers, that one too is true. I was like, okay. But you need this approach to work. Okay, treat trading like your work. You need a serious approach to trading. I could have decided that, you know what, I'm tired. Let me rest a little. But I didn't do that. I still came back to work. Like, I still came back to my charts. Still came back to make money. The fact that trading gives you that freedom of your time freedom, you can trade whenever you want, doesn't mean that you should be a lazy person. Okay? Doesn't mean you should be lazy. You should wake up anytime you want. Or just play around, because when you go on the chart, New York session, you can make some money. You should approach it seriously, okay? Like a serious person, like a business. That is how you should approach trading. If you are using 1:100 leverage, it means the profit you make is divided by 100. So 1:100, right? That's the leverage you chose. It means that your $100 times the leverage you have chosen, which is 100. That gives you your purchasing power, okay? It doesn't give you profit. It just gives you the ability to buy and sell more, like to trade more. That is what leverage helps you with. Simply your purchasing power. It doesn't determine your profit. It determines your profit because maybe you can open more positions. But it doesn't mean that if you have a high leverage, you have high profit as someone who has a low leverage. If you have high profit, it's going to depend on the lot size that you have gone in with. But your leverage solely cannot determine that you make profits. Nah. It gives you the purchasing power. You have to decide, I want to buy more, I want to sell more positions, I want to buy more units of this particular financial instrument. That is how you treat leverage. It gives you the ability to just purchase more in the market. It's just like when you go to the local market, okay? You have like maybe 5,000 Ghana cedis, and I have 1,000 Ghana cedis. You can buy more tomatoes than I can, right? You can buy worth 5,000 cedis of tomatoes, I can buy just 1,000. Means you get more food, you have more steals than I would. I don't know if you get it. It doesn't mean that the fact that you have 5,000, I also have 5,000, means that you have more stew than me. If you don't buy more tomatoes, obviously you will not get more stews too. So how much you buy is what's going to determine how much you get out of the market too. Hey, I'm in sales already, mewu. That is funny. But yeah, I'm just hoping it goes your way. But I'm hoping it goes my way too. Okay? I'm not going to discourage you, but I'm just hoping it goes my way. I'm hoping it goes your way too. Okay? Just hoping it goes your way too. We all need to make money. We all need to make money, guys. I'm losing all my self-control. I'm losing all my self-control. Guys, let's double tap. And guys, let's join the community. Find link in bio, guys. Let's join the Telegram channel. If you use Xness, send me a WhatsApp. Let me add it to my free VIP for a lifetime, guys. Free VIP for a lifetime if you use Xness. And congrats to those who won the giveaway. I gave out $100 yesterday to 2 lucky winners. Congrats to those that won. Do I have any of them on the live? Do I have any of them? I think, was it Kevin and Dominion? Dominion from Nigeria. And Kevin. I think Kevin was from Ghana. Kevin and Dominion. I'm not sure Dominion is from Nigeria, but his name sounds like a Nigerian name. His surname. Do I have any of them here? Dominion or Kevin? Do I have any of them here? Dominion and Kevin. They won the giveaway yesterday. And guys, I'll be doing that randomly, okay? It's like now almost every single week I have a giveaway. Yeah, sometimes just to, I know when I give out some of these monies, you guys fund your accounts with it and all, and it's good. It's a good thing. You fund your account and, you do stuff with it. So just a way to support the community too. Just a way to support the community, guys. And I'll be doing that randomly from time to time. You get that randomly, okay? We'll be having random giveaways. Even today, I might decide to give some money out. Who knows? Mostly, I'm like, you know what? Let's do this. Let's just bless some people in the community. How do I do it? Is it a giveaway? I do it randomly. So there's this app we use. We've done it on the live several times. I open the app and then it's like a raffle. So you select someone from the comments, someone who liked and commented and shared, and then it just chooses the person. Do you charge for the VIP group? No, guys, I do not charge for the VIP group, okay? There's a paid VIP and then there's the free VIP. Paid VIP is paid, obviously. The free VIP is totally free. Ask anyone in my XNES VIP. I've never tested anyone to pay even 1 cent to me. It's free if you use XNES. So if you want to join the XNES VIP, you can join. It's more like a community that I'm building more traders from, okay? So every Sunday we have what we call a traders roundtable discussion where we meet to discuss, we plan our week, we just sensitize ourselves for the week ahead. Just work on the bad habits that have messed up accounts. Like we just discussed, everyone talks in that meeting, guys. And we are almost 800 on the VIP page. Only the free VIP, we are 800. Not to talk of the other VIP, the other free VIP, and then the paid VIP. If it's a different broker and you want to join a free VIP, you cannot unless you join a paid VIP. But if you want to join a free VIP, you'd have to use XNES. Those that can't use XNES in their region, you are in some parts of Europe or Asia that don't use XNES, you can send me a DM. I have another option for you for the free VIP. Okay? So those that use XNES, check on top of the screen. You see a number written in yellow. Just look up. Join my free XNES VIP group, WhatsApp only. Which means WhatsApp me only, don't call me, guys. Sometimes I'm just sleeping with my husband. You guys are calling. You are texting me and calling me. Oh, come on. Like we are sleeping. Me, I didn't put it over. We are sleeping, okay? I said I'm sleeping with my husband. Sometimes we are just sleeping. Like we've closed our eyes to sleep. Let me clarify it well. I've closed my eyes to sleep and calls start coming in. I'm like, come on, guys. Just test me, okay? Test me. I'm going to respond. Don't call me. I might be busy, okay? I might be busy in my sleep. And you'll be testing me and be calling me, guys. You can test me, come on. Testing, I can test if I'm busy, but I can't speak when I'm busy, okay? So don't call me. If you call me, I'll bring my anger to you. If you call me on WhatsApp, I'm gonna bring my anger to you, okay? If you call me, I'll bring my anger to you. If you call me when I'm busy, I'll direct my anger to you. Someone says, this woman. Anyway, guys, let's focus. Let's not forget we are still in the trade, okay? Let's not forget we are still in the trade. Damn, gold. What just happened, gold? What is happening, gold? What is happening? Abba doesn't like to be disturbed while sleeping. Yes, guys. People call me a lot when I'm sleeping. Like, the WhatsApp number, they call me a lot. I'm like, test me. Don't worry. Just test me. I'm going to reply to you. If I'm busy in my sleep, in my bed, and you call me, I won't be able to speak. Yeah, I don't like the structure of gold at the moment, guys. Let me just be honest. The 5 minutes is not looking the best for me. Oh, why was he blocked? Nanajwa, let me check. What did he say? Can anyone help me get an iPad? I've been saying that I need funds. Oh, Nanajwa, you shouldn't block him, okay? Please unblock him for me. He was just begging, but he didn't say anything negative. You could have muted him. Just unblock him for me, okay? Unblock him for me. Gold, 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 gold. Why do you give me joy and take back my joy, gold? Gold gave me joy and is taking back my joy. God gave me intense joy and is taking back my joy. But guys, I'm still holding. If I'm out, I'll let you guys know. Good time to enter now. It's quite a tricky one, trust me, it's a tricky one. I'm already in, so I'm still in. But it's quite a tricky one based on the M5 structure, and it's still also within the zone I'm looking at. So it's a tricky one, trust me, it's a tricky one. It's a tricky one. Let me see how this M1 closes, then maybe I can determine if it's still gonna push some more. But guys, I'm still holding. You guys know I don't chicken out of trades. I'm still holding. So far, I'm comfortable with my loss. I'm okay. Watching from Nigeria. Awesome. Gold must buy at London, New York overlap. This is the kind of mindset people have. Like, it has to buy. It's a must. If I see someone type that, I run away from them, guys. Gold has to buy. It's like, if you do that, you're gonna force trades on the market, okay? If you don't have a setup, you don't have to just assume that it has to buy, like it has to buy. Nah. Are you still holding or out? I'm still holding, guys. I'm still holding. When I'm out, I'll let you know I'm out. When I'm out, you're gonna know. But still, I'm in, guys. I'm still in. It's still within the zone, so I'm still in, guys. I'm still in. From Senegal, awesome. Good to have you here. I'm from Ghana. Let's see, guys. Let's see. If I'm out, I'll let you know. But I don't think I'll be out anytime soon. Unless I see like something very strong for a change. As it's still within the zone, that is okay. For me, that is okay. Let's go. How I wish to sit under your mentorship for a while. Don't worry, I'm gonna open mentorship in October. Currently it's closed. Mentorship is closed. I'm focusing on this particular batch. Once I'm done, we will take the next one. It's gonna be communicated, guys. It's gonna be communicated. I don't want to take too many students. Currently, this batch I have 40. I have 40 students, guys. 41 actually. We have 40 here. We have 40 in the class. And I had to end it. I had to close slots because people were still coming in for it. I had to just close slots. So October, I'm gonna open new slots. Okay. Just be on the lookout for it, for the updates, okay? Educate us on how you mark your zones. Albert, I did that this morning. I do that every Monday morning, actually. I go live with everyone. Or you can join the upcoming mentorship too. Either way, you still learn how I draw my zones. From Rwanda, awesome. Good to have you here. Crisera, good to have you. I'm in, ma'am. When I'm in, you know it. I don't get you. What's the SL? It's with the VIP, guys. They paid mentorship for how long? The mentorship is for 3 months, guys. It's a 3-month mentorship. I start everything from scratch. So whether you know about trading, whether you don't know anything about trading, I carry everyone along from scratch on a fresh slate, right? So we start from there. What is Forex? We go into technicals. We go into the advanced aspect, and then we learn about the strategy, how I use my strategy on gold and other pairs also. So you can join in October. Currently it's closed. You can't join this current mentorship. It's closed. I need to be able to focus on the people I have to help them grow. And BTC is in profit, guys. Our buy zone on BTC is also in profit. The buy zone we had on BTC is also in profit. Let me just pull it up and show you guys. I shared that to the community. That's a BTC buy zone. It's in profit. That's a buy zone on BTC we had. I don't know how many of you were able to get into this BTC trade. How many of you were able to get into BTC? The BTC trade for the buys. I sent this buy zone in the morning. It's already in profit on BTC. Let's come back to gold. We need to tackle gold. You did. Awesome. You're in BTC. Awesome. Glad you're making money. And gold is whooping our asses here, guys. Gold is whooping us here.
You're watching YouTube, but did you know
BTC is buying and gold is just
it's based on
giving us a tough time. You're in BTC. Awesome. Congrats to all those who are in BTC. Glad you're making some money from the buy zone. I'm not in. I didn't enter BTC because of gold. It wouldn't make sense packing 2 pairs together. Gold and BTC. It's really going to be a tough one. I mean, trading both together at the same time. Let's see, guys. Let's see. A new 1 hour candle is gonna be opening very soon. A new 1 hour candle is gonna be opening very soon in about 1 minute and 14 seconds. A new 1 hour candle is going to be opening soon. Yeah, a few seconds, guys, for the 1 hour candle to open. A new candle is gonna be opening on 15, 5 minutes, 30 minutes. Let's see how it goes. Just manage your risk, guys. Just manage your risk. You sent a hi on WhatsApp. Okay, I'll check it out when I'm done with the live, okay? For those that want to join the XNES VIP, the free XNES VIP, just send me a WhatsApp, okay? Send me a WhatsApp to the number you see on your screen. Send a WhatsApp. Yes, few seconds, guys. Few seconds. I hope this candle closes well. The way it closed on 15 minutes, I didn't like it too. I didn't like the 15 minutes closure. Nah, I didn't like the 15 minutes closure. 15 minutes closure isn't good, guys. The 15 minutes closure wasn't so good for me. Let me quickly check here. It wasn't so good for me, guys. It wasn't so good for me. I think it would be wise just to cut loss on this trade, okay? 15 minutes closure. Let me quickly check on this. Hold on. Yeah, guys, hold on for me, okay? Just checking something on my side here. Okay, so I have a level here. Once we close below that level, we'd have to just cut loss on this trade. Currently, we are in just about 7 pips drawdown, 7 pips drawdown on this trade. Just about 7 pips. Just about 9 pips, 7 pips, thereabouts. There's a level I have. It hasn't closed below it. So once it closes below that level, we will have to just make a decision. But it hasn't done that yet, okay? So let's just hold on and wait. Let's see. If there's any trade that has stressed me for a long time, this is this gold trade, guys. It's been a while I actually stayed in the trade this long. Like for 4 hours. It's been close to an hour since we took this gold trade. Still playing around in the zone. BTC is moving. Oh, let me check on BTC. Let me see what it's doing. Is it pushing up or is pushing down? Which? Damn. Interesting. Yes, BTC is moving from our zone. Why is gold messing up? BTC is moving and gold is just messing up. The buy zone we had on BTC is moving very well. It's moving very well. Moving very well, and gold is just being a bad baby. Level I'm monitoring, the level on the screen. For today, I have just these two zones. This monitor sell zone and this possible buy zone here. Okay, those are the two zones I have for day trading. Okay, you can check the community. I sent setups, swing setups for gold, for all the other pairs. Check the community. I shared everything there. We analyzed it this morning on the live, and then I shared everything to the community. So you see there. Yeah, we have CPI this week, guys. We have CPI this week. We'll be trading CPI this week. Hopefully, we'll be trading CPI. We're gonna be trading CPI this week. On Wednesday, yes, we have CPI on Wednesday. Let me check. We have PPI on Thursday. Friday, we don't really have much, just some orange folder news on Friday. Almost all the other pairs are doing well with the buys. Why is Oli Gold messing up? Guys, I won't lie, this gold trade is being very stressful. I don't like to stay in trades in the same zone for too long, and this trade is just testing my patience in the zone. Most of the time my zones are more like a tap and then reject quickly, right? This particular one is just played in the zone for over an hour actually. It's still testing my patience, but you know I have all the patience for it too. It's tested my patience. I miss you much. I miss you much. Okay, we're having some movement coming in on gold now. Let's see, guys. We're having some movement. Gold, keep on pushing, baby gold. Keep on pushing. Don't look back. Don't look back, gold. Keep on pushing, gold. Oh damn. Gold rejected again. This pair is one funny pair, seriously. It's just funny. Like, it was literally pushing above. It's actually in profits now, okay? But the way I was hoping for it to push up more, it just rejected quickly and just... Let's see. There's a zone I'm looking at, price closing above it. That is the current level. If you have a closure above on the M1, we might have the buys continuing. It's just funny how it rejected and currently is back to the same place. If we happen to make a withdrawal from this trade, okay, go and buy something for yourself, because this trade has stressed us. It has stressed us with consolidation. Richard, what's up? Good day, Richard. Hope you're well. If you make a withdrawal from this trade, if we happen, okay, to make some profits of this trade and you don't buy something for yourself, I'll be disappointed. Buy something for yourself. Because this trade has really stressed human beings, seriously. It has stressed us. Guys, let's double tap. 79k. We've done so well, guys. We've done so well. Appreciate it. But let's keep on double tapping, guys, so that gold gets some momentum for us. Let's keep on double tapping, guys. Let's keep on double tapping. Let's keep on double tapping, guys. If you use Xness, you can join the VIP for free. Don't forget that. You get to take all my trades for free if you use Xness. Not just signals. We learn so much in the community. Not just signals there. There's so much we do there, just aside the signals. Okay, those on YouTube, if you want to join the Telegram channel, I've pinned the link in the community, okay? In the comment section, sorry. It's in the comments, so you can just join with the link in the comments. Yes, should we buy? My target is the sell zone, guys. Should price push up? My target is the sell zone. That is where I'm hoping to get out of. That zone, I'm hoping to get out of that zone. That is if we happen to push up. If only we happen to push up, the sell zone is my target. For those asking about the Telegram channel, check my bio, okay? Those on TikTok, tap on my name on TikTok, tap on it, go to my bio, you see the Telegram link there. Tap on the Telegram link to join the Telegram channel. It's really simple. If you go and search for me on TikTok, you come across comments and take that from me. They look like my channel. Everything looks the same, but that is not me. So don't join, don't go and search for me. Only use the link in my bio to join, okay? Only use the link in my bio. Else you'll be scammed. They've taken many people's monies. Make sure you don't fall victim to that. Join with the link in bio. Don't fall victim, guys. Don't fall victim. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Did you hit BE? No, didn't set break even yet. We only went about 35 pips. Yeah, 35, almost 40 pips on the trade. I hadn't broken the level I wanted to set break even at. I hadn't broken that level. That's the reason I didn't set break even. Cold. Am I still in? Why do you guys like to ask that? I'm still in, guys. If I'm out of the trade, I'll let you guys know. Okay, we are trading live together, so when I'm out, I have to let you know that I'm out of the trade. I'll let you know, don't worry, don't worry. I'm still in the trade, I'm still in the trade. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's hope, guys. Let's hope we catch a good one. Ajay, move to 45. You have trading view, right? Move to 45 minutes. Just check on your trading view, okay? Guys, I'm still in the trade. It hasn't hit my stop loss. I'm still in the trade, okay? I'm still in the trade. It hasn't hit my stop loss. Hasn't hit my stop loss yet. I'm still in the trade. You will definitely hit your stop loss. This is not the first time someone hits stop loss in trading. Paris Morgan. Is it a crime to hit stop loss? Or you've never hit stop loss before? If I hit stop loss, it's fine, guys. It's fine. There are still zones I'm looking at on the screen, so it's fine. Unless Paris Morgan has never hit stop loss before. Whenever I enter a trade, the way I think is, this trade might hit the loss. That is my first train of thought. And I've told you guys several times on the live. When I enter a trade, I'm not looking at how much I could potentially make. I'm looking at, okay, if I enter in with this loss size, how much am I going to be losing? Because my thought is, this thing can hit stop loss. That is my first thoughts, okay? So you don't have to come and tell me it's going to hit stop loss. If it's going to hit, I'm prepared for that loss. Because in trading, it's either a win or either a loss. You can't be in a gray area. Either you win or either you hit a stop loss. And either way, you have to be prepared for that, any of those areas before you enter a trade. So I'm okay with it, okay? Paris Morgan, I'm okay with it. I'm comfortable with my risk. I'm okay with it. Some people just don't want to hit loss in trading. It's like, okay, I don't like loss. I don't like loss. Why are you a trader then? Why are you a trader? That is our job. Losses come in. Like right now, I'm in drawdown. It hasn't hit my stop loss, but I'm in drawdown. SL is normal. That's the thing, guys. SL is really normal. In trade, that's why we set it. If it's not normal, it wouldn't be part of it. Just like how TP is normal, SL is also a normal thing, guys. SL doesn't mean that your trading journey has come to an end, okay? Doesn't mean your trading journey, your journey is, you are doomed. You're a doomed trader. Nah. It just means that price didn't play well in your zone. Price didn't play well in your zone. That's all. Doesn't mean you are doomed and you can't trade. Yes, today we have 700 viewers, guys. We've had even 900 before. We almost hit 1K some time ago. We've had 900 on the live before. I said the day we hit 1K viewers, guys, I'm gonna sing on the live. I told you guys about 3 months ago. I promised you guys, if we hit 1K views on the live, I'm gonna sing. You give me a song and I'll sing it. My SL on the trade. You guys wanna know my SL on the trade? Just about 100 pips. That was my SL. Just about 100 pips. Just about. Okay, just about that. Because if I tell you guys the exact one, how about you say we should join my VIP members will start complaining, okay? That we are in the VIP, you're giving it out for free, and some of them do complain. That why we in the VIP and everyone is getting the same thing like we are. So if you want to stop loss, everything, just join the VIP, okay? The actual entry on MT5, 4355.7. I told you guys already. 0.716. That was my first entry there. SL is just about 100 pips. It could be lower, it could be lesser, but it's just about 100 pips, okay? SL is just about 100 pips on this trade. It could be lower, it could be bigger than that, but yeah, you guys know, if you trade with me, you know what I'm using already. What is your SL? SL is with a VIP. If you use XNES, you can join a VIP, guys. You can join a VIP for free. The trade is draining, yes, guys. Some trades are like that. Some trades are really like that. Some trades you end up staying in them for like 2 hours. Most of the time, my zones are like a tap and go zones. When I have trades that are stressing me like this, you just need to have the patience for it. BTC is back to entry. It's still above entry. BTC is still above entry. It's just gold that is messing up. Just gold is messing up. Entry, stop loss, everything has been sent to the VIP, guys. It's with the VIP. It's not over until it's over. You know it, you know it. You've taken the words from my mouth. That's my phrase, actually. It's not over until it's over, guys. It's not over until it's over. It's not over until it's over. But I'll admit the trade is draining. The trade is draining. There are trades like that. It's gonna drain the hell out of you guys. Someone says invalid setup. Bring me the valid setup. Le super. Bring me the valid setup, okay? Almost hitting my stop loss, guys. Not there yet, but almost hitting my stop loss on this trade. Everyone's saying their own thing. Someone said it's going up to 4319. It's going to 4313. It's going to this. Guys, just do what you see, okay? Just do what you see. Do what you see. And I put my stop loss at that level for a reason, okay? Because there's another level below. I included that into my stop loss too. So no worries, no worries. It's not over until it's over, like I've been saying. Guys, we are not out of the trade. We are not out yet. We are not out yet, okay? Just few pips away from being out, but we are not out yet. We are not out yet. Gold is almost taking me out, guys. Almost, guys. That was close. Almost, guys. Almost came to my stop loss. Actually tapped my stop loss by just few pips and just rejected again. Almost. Let me pull it up so we can see below. Almost. That was close, trust me, guys. It was close. It was close. And this is our first trade of the week, guys. This is our first trade of the week. First trade of the week. One more pip, yeah, I know. It was just like just one more movement and would have been out of the trade. I put the stop loss at that particular level because of another level I was looking at. I'm just hoping that the market reacts well there. If it doesn't, that is okay. I'm just hoping, guys. Because I put the stop loss at that particular level, the level I sent to the VIP, just because of the next zone that was below. That's the reason I put the stop loss at that level. But if it takes us out, guys, it's fine. We just wait for the next setup. But currently, we are not out, guys. We escape by just a pip. We escape by just a pip. If you use XNES, you should still be in the trade. If you use XNES, you should still be in this trade. I don't know of other brokers if you guys got stopped out, but with XNES, the trade is still running. Hanging on a thread. Yeah, I tell you. The trade is hanging on. So there's something they will call, what's this thing? Tentahooks, yes. It's just hanging, guys. And it's all because of this level. There was this level here, okay? And I wanted to put the stop loss right below that level. That's why we had it right just about, I think it was just about 0.5 pips. Less than a pip, actually. 0.5 pips to our stop loss. Just 0.5 pips to our stop loss. If this thing buys, that'll be a crazy one for us. Because it means we really escaped well. If it ends up buying, that will be a big one for us, guys. We're hanging on tentahooks. Stop loss was right here, guys. Right here. But if you use XNES, I mean, you'll still be in this trade. Stop loss was right here. Why is it not picking? Right here. Let me just type it down. And we escaped just like this, guys. Let me zoom in so that you can see it. We escaped by just a pip. Okay, this tab by XNES, there's this small tab there before it gets stops out. And we are still in, guys. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes, guys. We escaped this stop loss. Seriously. Big escape. Big escape, guys. Big escape. Big escape, seriously. Biggest escape. Biggest escape ever, seriously. Biggest escape. But let's see, guys. Let's see. How many of you had the same stop loss? Those in the VIP, how many of you had the same stop loss I sent at 4324? How many of you had the same stop loss and are still in the trade? Let me know. Let me know. On both YouTube and on TikTok, let me know if you are still in this trade. If you use the exact stop loss and then you use XNES, let me know if you are still in the trade. If you use XNES, you should still be in the trade. It didn't take you out. You are still in. Awesome. Did you guys see it? Did you see how small it was for us to get tapped out of this trade? That was crazy. That was crazy. You're still in. Awesome, awesome. Let's see, guys. I had same SL and still in the trade. Awesome. It just fascinates me how we're just almost out of the trade. Almost out of it. Almost out. I'm telling you guys. We're almost out of this trade. But we've had trades like that before where we almost stopped out and then ended up, I think it was one sale about 2 months ago. Almost had our stop loss and ended up dumping massively afterwards. It was a bank holiday, USD bank holiday, I remember. Let's see, guys. I still entered when it was getting to our stop loss. Interesting. That must take some balls. Very crazy. I had given up already. Yes, guys. This trade has stressed us, trust me. To think we're almost stopped out and to end up getting into the trade. The crazy one. I mean, if you don't use XNES, other brokers will stop you out. Okay, they would have stopped you out by now. If you use XNES, you are still in the trade. But it's going to be iconic if this thing buys. Like, wait, how close we were to our stop loss. If this thing buys, it's going to be an iconic one. It's really going to be iconic if it ends up buying. Yeah, guys, it was crazy. Trust me. It was crazy. I thought I was out. To see that I was still in, guys. Let's see what happens, guys. Let's see. What is my TP? It's with the VIP, guys. My TP is in the sell zone, but the TPs are in the VIP. It's in the sell zone here. Actually, this morning, I was hoping for sales in the morning, okay? Before price got to this level, where is it? When this candle was pushing up, this bullish candle, I sent to the VIP that I'm going to be sending a signal soon. Those in the VIP, if you remember, when this candle was pushing up, I was hoping we tap the zone and then we sell it to the buy zone, right? But then price ended up selling without us in this trade. But got to the buy zone first. Let's still see, guys. Let's still see. I'm hoping we get an iconic trade because this rejection from our stop loss was an iconic one, guys. Iconic. Am I selling? No, guys. I don't jump from changing buyers that quick. If I'm out, I'll just stay out of the trade until I find a good one. Imagine being live for almost 2 hours and still in one trade, guys. Still in one trade, live for almost 2 hours. Trading really tests your patience, if you ask me. being patient in one zone, still having your stop loss intact, and still being calm, waiting for the trade to play out. It's not an easy thing. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Like I said, if this thing buys, it's going to be a legendary trade for us, guys. Legendary one. Those in the VIP understand, it's gonna be a legendary one. Just because it's almost tapped us out, almost. Just 0.5 pips. Half a pip, actually. Half a pip. But XNet saved us. XNet saved us and still made us enter the trade, like still in the trade. I've been in this trade for almost 2 hours, guys. 1 hour 47 minutes, still in the same trade. Price just playing around in the same area. Let's see, guys. This thing buys will be a legendary trade. Trust me, it will be a legendary one because of how close we were to getting stopped out. Initially, I was going to put a stop loss at 4325, but that is a psychological level. So I was like, you know what? 4325 is psychological level. What if market gets to the next zone and then taps 4325? It means we'll be out of the trade. Let me just leave an extra 10 pips room below that level. That is how come I chose 4324 for that level. I had to deliberate on it before I chose that level for our stop loss. I didn't just choose it because it looks like a nice level. Nah. There were some technicals I considered before choosing that stop loss for that level. And I'm glad that saved us some way, somehow. It saved us. I'm glad it saved us. But let's see, guys. It's still not over. We can't tell what market will end up doing. Let's just hope for the best. We've had a win like that. I remember. Yes. It was a sell. I remember that win. We're almost out of the trade. Just a few pips our stop loss and markets dumped massively. On a USD bank holiday. Remember so well. If this thing buys, you know what? Now I want this thing to buy, not because I'm in the trade, but it's just a legendary thing for our stop loss. Seriously, it's just a legendary. It's going to be legendary if actually buys. I'll be very happy if it buys because it means I chose a stop loss reasonably, not based on emotions, but just based on technicals. Let's see, guys. Abba, it's either we make it together or we perish with you. In you we trust. Let's hope, guys. I'm really hoping we all catch a good one. When I'm live, I'm not hoping to make money for just myself. I'm hoping we all make money too. That is really the importance of me coming live, for all of us to make money together, not just me making money. This thing is stressing. Yeah, sometimes market has to build discipline in you. Okay, let's see, guys. I can let go of what I know. Can you re-enter? If you want to, I mean, you can, okay? We have been through hell and back and we are still surviving. Seriously, we've been through hell and back, guys. 2 hours, almost 2 hours on this trade. Almost 2 hours, not almost 2 hours on this trade. But guys, that's why I really love using XNES. Seriously. Other brokers would have tapped you out of this trade. If you see how close we were to, look at this. If you look at this broker, see where the red line is. That is where we had our stop loss. If I were using this broker, this is FX here, right? It means I would have been stopped out of this trade at this level here. But because I'm using XNES, some way somehow XNES gave me a room of 0.5 pips. Just for my trade to keep on surviving. And yes, guys, I survived. That's what I'm saying. It's going to be legendary if price ends up buying. Not because even for profit's sake, but just to see how good using XNES is. And same way, if you use XNES, guys, you can join the VIP for free. If you have an XNES account, you can join for free. If you don't have one and you still want to join a VIP, send me a WhatsApp, okay? Send to the number on the screen, written in yellow on the screen. Send a WhatsApp to the number on the screen. Send to the number on the screen. Is it easy withdrawing from XNES? Guys, tell him. Someone is asking. Is it easy withdrawing from XNES? Tell him, guys. DJ, which country are you from? DJ884, which country are you from? Are you from Ghana or Nigeria or which country? I don't want to say, because once I say it, you guys are going to be like, oh yes, and you are doing adverts for XNES. No, guys. I want people to say how XNES withdrawals are in the comments based on their own experience, not my experience. It's so fast. Seriously, very fast. Before I went to the supermarket. I traveled on Friday, right, to go and see my kids. I decided to just stop at the supermarket to get them some chocolates and some, other sweets and things they want. And quickly, I just went to my XNES and I was like, I should have really done a recording of this whole thing. Because right at the counter, I withdrew money from my XNES account, quickly came to my mobile money, and I paid via mobile money to the supermarket. I didn't even spend about 2 minutes there. Quick, it was in and I sent the money. That is how quick XNES withdrawals are. Zach, I'm blocking you, okay? If you're here to advertise your free community, I'm not gonna allow you to scam anyone. I'm blocking you for that. XNES withdrawals are always instant, guys. Depends on the payment method, but mostly for mobile money and crypto, it's instant. Very fast. See, heaven's got a place for you. XNES withdrawals are very fast, guys. It's very fast, very fast. If you use XNES, you can join the VIP for free. If you don't have XNES, you are trading with a broker and you are having issues with that broker, join XNES, okay? Send me a WhatsApp message to join. Once you join, I'll add it to my VIP. Once you have XNES, I'll add it to my VIP. And it's for free for a lifetime, okay? And XNES saved us in this trade, guys. XNES saved us. I've never used that broker. Okay, Rachel, I've never used that broker. Never used it. Since I started trading, I've never used that broker. I don't know how it works. But what I can recommend for you that I use that works is XNES, okay? I'd have wished to be out of this trade and probably taking lunch by now. But I'm still here, guys. I'm still here in this trade. I'd have wished to be out of the trade by now and maybe probably eating lunch or something. But here I am, guys. Still struggling for life on the trade. It's a crazy one. Can I share my journey with you? I've done that several times, guys. I've shared my journey several times. But yeah, I didn't have an easy journey, guys. I didn't have an easy journey. My trading had a rough start. Very rough start. Very rough start, guys. Had a very rough start in my trading. You know, if I leave the live now to say I'm going to take lunch, most of you end up maybe just doing terrible things afterwards. That's why I'm here. I want us to just close well on this trade. Maybe if we hit stop loss, that is fine. We just close and then come back for the next zone, right? Which is the monitoring sell zone. But if I want us to at least go into some profits before we leave the trade. Like we leave the live and go for some break. Because most after 2 hours, we go for a break on the live, always. That is what I'm waiting for now, so that we can just go catch some rest and then allow the trade to run. What's my WhatsApp number? WhatsApp number is on the screen, guys. It's on the screen. Check your screen. WhatsApp number is on the screen. But guys, yeah, let's wait for the trade to do what it needs to, then we can just decide on what to do, okay? I'm not gonna leave you here while we are still in loss. No worries, no worries. I'm not gonna leave you while we are still in loss. My Jenny, right now I'm in a trade and I'm struggling for my life on this trade, okay? When I'm out of the trade and I'm breathing, I'll let you know my journey, okay? Let me fight for my life on the trade first. Let me fight for my dear life on the trade. Then I'll share my journey with you, okay? Right now I'm just hanging on for dear life. I'm hanging on for dear life, guys. Do I do prop firms? No, I don't. I don't trade prop firms. You're in the ICU. Don't worry. Hopefully we come out soon, okay? Dr. Abba is on its way. Dr. Abba is on the way. No worries. Let's hope. Let's hope. The one who wants my journey, no worries, okay? The one who wants to hear my journey, let me just fight for my life on the trade. Once I'm done, I'll come back to you, okay? Let's finish fighting for our life. When we are above waters, then we can talk, okay? Right now we are fighting for dear life. Which number is this? Hello? Yeah, hello. Is that enough? Patch up me from back. Aye. Yeah, more meetings is here. Aye. Let's see, guys. Let's see. It's not over until it's over. And to be iconic, yeah, that's what I'm hoping for. That we get an iconic trade. But let's see, guys. I would really want to go and take lunch now, but I don't want to leave you guys here while we are still in loss, okay? That is why I'm still here. Because most around 12, I take my lunch around 12. I've not eaten. Not eaten yet. I didn't anticipate I was going to stay in this trade for 2 hours. Gold. How are the little prince, princess, and mom doing? The little prince and princess, they are with my mom. But the mom is doing well. She's fighting for her dear life on gold. The mom is fighting for her dear life on a trade on gold. Yeah, but guys, I'm comfortable with my risk. Like I always say, I'm comfortable with the risk on this trade. So even if I hit stop loss, I'm still okay. I know I can catch a good one the next one. I know my trades already. This trade is stressing me, guys. It's stressing me. You have something to say, Sway. If it's something that you know is positive that's gonna help the community, you can go ahead, okay? What's up? What's up? What's up? What do you wanna say? Have you ever owned an EA? No, I don't have an EA. Never owned one, never traded one before. Where is my break even? I'm still below my entry. I'm not break even, okay? Your SL will be hit, sis. No worries, no worries. SLs are always hit. TPs are always hit too. It's two ways, okay? No worries. How much did you lose on your first trade? On my first trade, I deposited $200. My first ever trade in trading. It was $200. I grew it to almost $1,000 that same day, and I blew everything. In less than 30 minutes, yes. I blew everything. I grew $200 to almost $1,000 in few minutes, and then less than few seconds or minutes or something. But it was less than 30. I blew it on BTC. I think I had BTC and gold running on that account. When I saw the 200, I was like, wow. I deposited 200. I've been able to make 900 and something in total. Okay, let me go in again. I didn't know about lot sizes then, so I went in again, and that is how I blew my first $200. And you know the funny thing? I deposited again right afterwards, another 200, until I realized that nah, this thing is it's not like that. The money doesn't come like that. For me, I would say trading, I really went through the hard way. The hard way, guys. I didn't know anyone. My friends were in trading. Nobody I knew was trading. So literally, I was just alone. And I couldn't share my losses with anyone. I'm a femu pal, seriously. I also lost my husband's money. He gave me some crypto monies to hold for him. Ended up blowing that money over some time. Bought prop firms upon prop firms. That money prop firms took like half of it, and then the rest went to account management, trade for me. They also blew it, guys. I've really suffered. I've suffered with trading. But I'm glad I stuck to it. I didn't give up. Do you recommend prop firms? I don't recommend prop firms, but if it's something that you think works for you, stick to it. You know, I'm not going to tell you to do this or don't do this or that. But if you want my personal advice or my take on it, right? I don't recommend prop firms. Based on my own experience with prop firms, I had to come to a point where I told myself, I'll stop buying prop firms. It's okay. Enough is enough. I've reached my threshold for prop firms. It's fine. I'm not going in again. I had to tell myself that. Really want to go and eat, but guys, I'm here for you. If I leave, I'll still be able to manage my trade, but then I know most of you won't be able to manage your trades. That is why I'm still here, guys. Either we get stalled out of the trade or we go into some profit, then I can let us set break even so we can go and catch some rest and then come back later. What is your experience with prop firms? Beta experience, guys. Beta experience. Either you pass and they won't pay, or you pay and they will tell you some drawdown or some violations, rules, and yeah, guys. Almost back at entry. Just about 5 pips. Guys, would you believe how 0.5 pips saved us? Imagine I hadn't taken that decision to put our stop loss at 4324. My stop loss was going to be at 4325, which was 100 pips, right? That was 100 pips. But I was like, you know what? 4325 is a psychological level. Markets might tap that zone in case it's going to buy. Let me give 10 pips room at 4324. That is how come, guys, we are back at entry. This is crazy, guys. 0.5 pips saved us today, guys. 0.5 pips saved us. 0.5 pips saved us. We are back to entry, guys. For those who have been stressed out of the trade, you can jump out if you want to, okay? If you have been stressed out of this trade, you can jump out. I'm still going to hold, guys. I'm still going to hold. Like I said, I'm comfortable with a loss on the trade. I'm still going to be holding. But if you've been stressed out of the trade, you can just close out, okay? It's back at entry. Price is back to entry. You can close. Let me notify the people. You can close, but I'm still going to be holding though. I'm comfortable with the loss on this trade. Price back at break even. You can close if you want to. I'm still holding. Comfortable with my risk on this trade. Okay, so I've sent a message to the community that our price is back at entry. If you've leveraged, it is your time to breathe, okay? You can breathe now. But seriously, guys, it's legendary that 0.5 pips saved us back to entry. Where you put your stop loss is very important. And I'm really happy I took that decision, seriously. I would have been regretting by now that I thought through to put my stop loss at 4324. Why did I keep it at 4325? So the stop loss ended up being 110 pips instead of 100 pips. Just because of the level I was looking at. Your heart was rising. I'm glad we are back to entry, guys. Back to entry, guys. I just want us to enter little profits. If price is going to buy, then I'll just take a short break, go and take lunch, and then come back, okay? Let's see. Can we enter, guys? The way this trader stressed us, I don't advise you to enter. If you see buys, you can go for it, okay? But I'm still holding. This entry is not feasible. Go for the one that is feasible for you, okay? Go for the one that is feasible. There's some volatility in the markets now. I don't know what is happening. Is there news? Let me check Forex Factory quickly. I think there is news. There should be news. Or just because New York is... Let me see. Yeah, there's no news. The market is just moving crazy, guys. Let's see. Like I told you guys, price came back to entry. Close if you can't hold your risk, okay? I'm still in the trade. Actually, I closed just one position. Sorry, I didn't tell you guys. I closed just one position. I left the two others running. Am I on a sell? No, I'm not in a sell. I'm not in a sell, guys. I just want this thing to get back like a little above our entry so that I can just go and take my lunch. Let's see, guys. Yeah, guys, price already came back to break even, okay? If you know you over leveraged, that was your best time to close some positions. That was your best time to close some positions. I just have 2 positions running, guys. Just 2 positions. Just 2 positions on the trade. I have just 2 positions running at the moment. I have 3 positions. I closed 1. I have just 2 positions running now. Am I the only one still holding on this trade, or you guys all close at break even? Am I the only one holding? Is there someone holding? Am I the only one still holding on this trade? And you know, it's all because I'm comfortable with the risk. If you're comfortable with your risk too on the trade, you can hold, okay? If you over leverage, price came back to entry, ask you guys to close at break even. But I'm just taking the risk to hold this trade. I'm comfortable with what I risked on this trade. It's okay. And it's been 2 hours, guys. 2 hours since I entered this trade. Crazy, crazy. Gold, you stressed the hell out of me today, gold. You've stressed me today. Gold has stressed me today, guys. Still holding, and I'm comfortable with that. Awesome. That is the thing, guys. If you're comfortable with it, you can just hold. Those who aren't comfortable, I told you guys to close back at entry. Feel very hungry now. Still holding while my heart is beating fast. Then it means you're not comfortable with your risk. If your heart is beating fast, you're not comfortable with your risk on this trade. And seriously, I really just want to go and eat. I'm just hoping market gets at least a little beyond our entry, then I can just go and eat. Because I know if I leave most of you on the live, I can manage my trade, but some people will just end up messing up their accounts. I'm feeling very hungry, seriously. Feeling very hungry now. You're still in sales. Today is going to be a tag of war, guys. Sellers and buyers. Let's see, guys. It's gonna be a tag of war between sellers and buyers. Guys, I seriously have to go and eat. Seriously, I'm feeling some headaches now. I've been talking for 2 hours. Really need to go and take some lunch and come back. I'm positive it might push up now. Just positive about it. I gotta eat, guys. If you guys don't mind, let's take about 20 minutes. I'll be back in 20 minutes, okay? Have to go and eat, guys. Yeah, I really have to go and eat. Do we agree? Can I take some 20 minutes? I'll come back right after I'm done with my lunch, okay? Is that okay, guys? Is that okay? I'll come back after lunch. Is that okay? Awesome. And please manage your trades well, okay? Manage your trades very well. Don't add more positions on the trade. I'll be back soon. I'll be back before New York opens. At 1:07, New York will open at 1:30. Hoping to be back before New York opens. Okay, let me just take lunch quickly and I'll come back, okay? I'll come back at 1:30 or before 1:30. I'll be back. Just make sure you join the community so that you know when I'm coming back live. I'm definitely going to come back live for us to continue with this trade. Hopefully, we get into profit. Hopefully, okay? Take care, guys, and see you in about 23 minutes time, okay? I'll see you guys. Bye. I'll see you guys shortly. Bye.